Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 road bike frame set. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As the item number 3 we've selected, AMCX 5000 aluminum alloy frame. Specifications: foldable, no. Origin, CN origin. Material, aluminum/alloy. Model number, CX5000. Use, road bicycles. Surface processing mode, matte. Weight, 20-30 g. The item number 2 is, new carbon gravel frame. Specifications: foldable, no. Material, carbon. Model number, CWG001. Use, road bicycles. Type, carbon gravel frame. Color, golden red green sliver sky blue. Brake, disc brake. Cable, all inner cable routing. Material, T1000 Toray carbon fiber. Max tire, 700 by 45 C or 27.5 by 2.1. Suitable derailleur, E2 or mechanical. Disc rotor size, 140/160ths of a millimeter. Frame through axle, 142 by 12 ohm. Fork through axle, 100 by 12 ohm. Bottom bracket, BB386. Warranty, 2 years. On the top of our list at number 1 we have, IFKIN CF025 carbon road frame. Specifications: brand name, IFKIN. Material, carbon. Model number, OGCF025. Use, road bicycles. Surface processing mode, matte. Is customized, yes. Weight, 1700 g plus 50 g. Frame sets include a frame, fork, seat post, clamp, and hanger. Headset, 1/1/8 1/2. Fork weight, 400 g plus/10 g. Seat post weight, 205 g plus/10 g. Weight, 1700 g plus 50 g. XS size. Color, black/silver. Bottom bracket, BB86. Warranty, 2 years. Sizes, XS/S/M/L. Weave and finish, UD and matte. Di2 and mechanical, both support. Bike frame. Carbon road frame. Carbon fiber, T1000. Seat post size, 27.2 ohm. Fork diameter, 28.6 ohm. Disc drake, 140 ohm. Disc brake max tire, 28 C. Front size, 12 by 100 ohm. Rear size, 12 by 142 ohm. System, disc brake. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back here soon.